Okay, so let's talk about hair health, but probably not in the way you're used to. We're going to move this whole conversation out of the shower and into the kitchen. Because the real secret to amazing healthy hair isn't what you put on it, it's what you put inside your body. I mean, what if I told you the solution to thicker, stronger hair isn't sitting in some fancy, expensive bottle? What if it's already in your fridge right now? For so long, we've just been treating the symptom, the thing we can see. Today, we're going after the root cause. Literally.
Oh, we've all been there, right? That little pit in your stomach when you see more hair on your pillow or tangled in your brush. And listen, that's not just about vanity, it's genuinely distressing. But more than that, it's your body waving a big red flag telling you that something on the inside is out of whack.
And that signal, well, that's what this is all about. We're so conditioned to think of thinning hair as just an external problem, but it's not. It's actually an internal cry for help. Think of your hair like a barometer for your overall health. It's a direct reflection of what's going on inside your entire system.
And this, right here, this really breaks it down. Look at the left side. That's where we spend all our money, right? Shampoos, conditioners, serums. But look at the right side. Those are the real culprits. Not having the right nutrients, being super stressed, and having poor blood flow. We're basically trying to polish the leaves of a dying plant.
And this quote just nails it. It's the perfect analogy. Your scalp, that's the soil. And your hair follicles are the roots. So if that soil isn't packed with nutrients and getting plenty of water, or in our case, healthy blood flow, it doesn't matter how much you spray the leaves. The plant is just not going to thrive.
See, here's the crucial thing to understand. Your hair is connected to everything. It's a direct indicator of your blood flow, how well your organs are working, your metabolism, and, these are the big ones, your nutrient and stress levels. So if you want to fix your hair, you have to look at this entire internal ecosystem. So, how in the world do we enrich that soil? Well, this brings us to the really exciting part, the actual game plan. Let's look at the nutritional secret weapon right from our source material. A simple but incredibly powerful recipe designed to give your system the exact nutrients your hair has been starving for.
And really, it could not be easier. This isn't some crazy time-sucking ordeal. It's just 4 simple steps. You grab 5 ingredients, do a little prep, blend it up, and make this a little ritual for yourself twice a week. That's it. It's a totally achievable habit you can start like today. So what's in this so-called red juice? Well, they call it the ABCG recipe, which makes it super easy to remember. We've got A for apples, B for boiled beetroot, C for carrot and cucumber, and G for a little kick of ginger. Just 5 simple things you can get at any grocery store. This is the foundation.
Okay, but why these ingredients? This is where the magic is. This isn't just random. The carrots, they're loaded with vitamin A for growth. The apples give you that vitamin C to make your follicles strong and stop breakage. And the beetroot is just incredible for your blood health, which is like the superhighway that delivers all these amazing nutrients, like iron and biotin, right to your hair. You're literally drinking the building blocks for your hair.
Now, nutrition is a massive piece of this puzzle, for sure. But, and this is a really big but, it's not the only piece. We absolutely have to talk about that other major internal factor, stress.
And let's be crystal clear about this. You can drink this amazing juice every single day, have the most perfect diet on the planet, but if you are living in a constant state of stress, your hair is going to suffer. Period. Stress just wreaks havoc on your hormones and your blood flow, and it basically undoes all of your good nutritional work.
This slide really just puts it all into perspective. I mean, look at this. When you add up nutrient deficiency and stress, what is that? That's 75%. 3/4 of the problem are these internal factors. Yeah, pollution and other external stuff are a piece of the pie, but they are not the main course. The battle is absolutely won or lost from within.
So, what's the big takeaway from all this? It's really about a huge mindset shift. It's about moving away from just treating your hair and starting to nourish your body. It's a holistic approach where what you eat and how you feel directly impacts how you look.
So here is your mission, your one simple, actionable takeaway. 2. That's it. Just twice a week, make this red juice a non-negotiable part of your routine. It's a really simple but powerful way to commit to feeding your beauty from the inside out.
And this, right here, this is the whole philosophy in a nutshell. Holistic hair health. It's not a product you buy, it's a practice you adopt. It's about consciously taking care of your entire internal world, both body and mind, knowing that beautiful hair isn't something you apply, it's something you build.
So the final question really is for you. After seeing all this, are you ready to change your approach? Are you ready to stop treating the symptom and start feeding your beauty from within? Thanks for diving into this with us.